What is the best way to manage your data? If you're like most businesses, you're probably using a variety of tools and spreadsheets to keep track of your information. But what if there was a better way? In this video, we're going to talk about Quickbase, a powerful platform that can help you manage your data more efficiently and effectively. What is Quickbase? Quickbase is a low-code application development platform that allows you to create custom applications without having to write any code. This makes it easy to get started with Quickbase, even if you don't have any technical experience. Quickbase is used by a wide variety of businesses and organizations, including healthcare, education, manufacturing, retail, government, nonprofit. What can Quickbase be used for? Quickbase can be used for a variety of purposes, including tracking customer data, managing projects, managing inventory, tracking sales and marketing data, managing HR data, and much more. How does Quickbase work? Quickbase uses a drag-and-drop interface to make it easy to create applications. You can simply drag and drop fields, forms, and reports to create the application that you need. Quickbase also provides a number of powerful features, such as workflow automation, business rules, integration with other applications, security and compliance. Benefits of using Quickbase. There are many benefits to using Quickbase, including easy to use. Quickbase is easy to use, even if you don't have any technical experience. Powerful. Quickbase is a powerful platform that can be used to manage a wide variety of data. Flexible. Quickbase is a flexible platform that can be customized to meet your specific needs. Scalable. Quickbase is a scalable platform that can grow with your business. Affordable. Quickbase is an affordable solution for businesses of all sizes. How to get started with Quickbase. If you're interested in learning more about Quickbase, there are a number of resources available to you. You can visit the Quickbase website, attend a webinar, or read a blog post. Once you're ready to get started with Quickbase, you can create a free trial account. This will give you access to all of the features of Quickbase for 30 days. Quickbase is a powerful platform that can help you manage your data more efficiently and effectively. If you're looking for a way to improve your data management, I highly recommend giving Quickbase a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your technology. If you're interested in learning more about Quickbase, please click on the link below. You can also sign up for a free trial of Quickbase to see how it can help you manage your data more efficiently. Thanks for watching.